Hi there, guys. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, Girl Next Door this side. I hope you all are doing well. So, you would have already understood from the topic, but I just wanted to give a bit of a background. So, I am someone whose skin gets extremely tanned extremely easily, and recently I discovered that I have the problem of ingrown hair. So, before around 2 months, I was searching frantically for solutions on internet, and I saw raving reviews about the Bee Body Wise body scrub. And so that's why I wanted to try it out, and here I am giving a review. This is a product which can be used equally by men and women, and that's why if you are a guy and you have subscribed to my channel, this is definitely for you. So without any more introduction, I'll go right into the topic. So this is the product that I'm talking about. If you see this is quite a big tube. This is the Bee Body Wise 10% AHA body scrub. This is a body scrub, which means that this is used for exfoliating your skin of your body, not of your face. And along with that, this is known to work for ingrown hair, to remove ingrown hair, remove tan. If you have problem of strawberry skin, this is going to work on that as well, as claimed by the internet. Now I will be giving you my opinion, but before that, let's first look at the price point and the quantity. So the first thing first, this is a very big bottle. I don't know if you're able to understand. This is my face, and this is the Body Wise tube. Is of 200 grams. The marked price is $4.99, but I got this from Amazon, and I got it for $349, $351, something like this. It is always available at discount in Nykaa, in Amazon, everywhere. Other than that, regarding the packaging, it has a very luxurious, smooth, matte plastic packaging, and it's very, very secure. Although it's a big fat tube and there's a lot of product inside, I won't be scared of just throwing this inside my bag, and because this cap is pretty secure. So yeah, packaging wise, this is definitely very good. Okay, now coming to the usage. How do we use this? So this can be used in the morning or at night. I use it when I take bath. Okay, once in a week you can use this, and it claims that you are going to see best results in 3 months. Okay, that is what it claims. Okay, and there are steps to use. I'm not gonna read. This is just a body scrub, simple thing. All of you know how to use this. So I will right away go into the benefits and how it's different. So the very first thing is that this contains 10% AHA, which is a very good exfoliant. So my problem why I bought this was to remove tan. I get tan very easily. I have to go out every day for my office or for other work. So I get tan very easily, and this is also used to exfoliate dead skin. So I'll first show you how this looks like. So if you see this, it is not too runny, it's kind of thick, and it is a very creamy texture. It has a very creamy texture. It has a very light smell, not something that is going to irritate you if you don't like artificial fragrances. This has a very light smell, which if you wash it out, it's gonna go. Okay, so I don't think smell is really a problem over here. Now coming to whether this worked or not for me. Now obviously the very first thing is it really does a great job in exfoliating your skin. So it removes all the dead skin in 2 uses. I saw that my skin was right in the first use. You will see a lot of difference, but I personally felt that because I had a lot of dead skin, So yeah, after 2 use, I really felt that my tanning has removed and my skin was feeling buttery smooth. Now another thing is that other scrubs, okay, whether you talk about the powder scrubs like the N-Caffeine coffee scrub or any other scrubs in the market, most of the other scrubs, they tend to make your skin very dry, okay, but this one did not make my skin dry. So it exfoliated my skin very well, it removed the tan. After a month, I noticed that the ingrown hairs have kind of reduced, because this is such a good exfoliator. After a month means after almost 4 uses, I noticed that the ingrown hair problem that I was getting has reduced to a great extent, which was such a relief for me because I didn't know what to do about them. Now I don't have strawberry skin, okay, so that's why I really cannot tell that whether how well this can work on strawberry skin or not. But yeah, the internet is raving about this product and they also claim that it works very well on strawberry skin. And considering that the high quality of the product, Be Body Wise is a brand that I respect a lot because of the quality that they have brought into the Indian market. And considering that, I highly recommend this body scrub. Because it really does the job, and whether I'm going to purchase this product, repurchase this product or not, definitely I'm going to do this, okay. So I hope that this review was useful to you, and I hope that you got some value out of this, and if so, thank you so much. Please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.